What is good, YouTube? You already know, it's your boy Rockin' Ryno. We're coming at you with another video where today we're getting ready to make some homemade dinner rolls. Alright, starting off, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 packet of active, fast-acting yeast. First add your milk and then your water to a saucepan, and then go ahead and throw your butter into that mixture and melt at 120 degrees Fahrenheit, or whatever that is in Celsius. You can go look it up yourself. And then you're going to want to add 3/4 cup of flour into a large mixing bowl. Make sure it's big boy. Okay, and then you're going to want to add your salt and your sugar, and also add in your dry yeast. And then combine that all together until everything is evenly incorporated. Check your milk temperature and then add that to your dry ingredient mixture right now. And mix that all together until kind of a thick batter starts to form. The spoon in the bowl goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The spoon in the bowl goes round and round all day long. So what you do is you add in about half the flour and see if it's a nice soft dough consistency, and keep adding in more flour until it turns into a soft dough. Kneading the dough all day long, just kneading the dough, kneading the dough, kneading the dough. All Ryno does is knead the dough. You're going to want to knead for around 8 to 10 minutes or until it forms a smooth, elastic ball. And I like to roll, fold, except for when it comes to my laundry. Cover and let rest for 10 minutes. Then divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. Cut in half, and then cut each half in half again. And then cut each half of a half in 3s. Once you're done with that step, roll each wedge into a ball and place in a 9x9 baking dish. Make sure to give your balls some room to grow. You're going to have 3 rows and 4 columns, or 4 columns and 3 rows if you really want to get crazy. It depends on what you do. Then you're going to want to cover those balls of dough and let them rise for about 30 minutes. Once your doughboys have grown large enough to touch, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey, look at that pro chef cooking 2 things at once. Place your rolls in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Once your rolls have reached a perfect golden brown color, baste them in butter and look at them buttery boys. And look at them buttery boys? Like what? YouTube? We just got done making these delicious looking dinner rolls, and I got my cameraman / dad back here to taste test. Help me out with these taste tests here. Take that. We're going to try some of this.
Pretty good, bro. Pretty good, bro.
Hey, whoa! Whoa!
Pretty good, bro.
Whoa, bro. This is why we keep him behind the camera. Alright, guys. These rolls were delicious. You should really try them. And I realized halfway through making these that you could probably do these in a Dutch oven. So if you want like a 2.0 Dutch oven style dinner rolls, then leave a comment down below and drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and now you know why you never get to see my cameraman, because he decides to steal all the food. Love you guys. Goodbye.